Hello dear students, I, Mrs. Usha Anil Jadhav, welcomes you in Expert Lecture Series 2020-21 arranged by BYK College of Commerce. I hope this Expert Lecture Series helpful for achieving good marks. Students, you know, in accounts, practice is a most important. Practice make man perfect. Students, we solve as many as problems for better understanding and achieving good marks. Now let us see Computer in Accounting chapter number 10. This chapter carry for 8 marks for theory and 2 marks for objective. In last video, you have been studied about company accounts, issue of shares, computer in issue of share, computer in accounting. Chapter is a optional for company accounts. Next content of computer in accounting. Computers in accountancy. Computers today are being extensively used for office administration and accounting to supply reliable and accurate information relating to the company's financial performance to various users. This is made possible through sophisticated computerized accounting systems. They handle large volumes of data, process information and data, present them graphically and constantly update the data. Finally, this data is presented to the decision makers. Features of computer in accounting: first, processing by one or more computers. Second, operated by the entity or by a third party. Then third, processing with the help of one or more computer software, example Tally. Software use may be a generic software purchased from the market, packaged software, or may be developed specifically for the business, custom software. Basic concepts of accounting information system: collects and process transaction data and communicates financial information to decision makers, includes all steps in the accounting cycle, documents that provide evidence of transactions. Third, manual or computerized accounting systems. Basic concepts of accounting information system: cost and benefits, principles of an efficient and effective accounting information system, government regulations and deregulations, organizational growth, technological achievements, increase competitions, changing accounting principles. Cost effectiveness: benefits must outweigh the cost. It must be relevant. I want it to be reliable. I want it to be accurate. I must be timely. Useful output. Flexibility: the system should be sufficiently flexible to meet the resulting changes in the demands made upon it. Importance of computerized accounting. First, automation. All the calculations are automatically done by the accounting software with the minimum time as compared to manual accounting calculation. Second, multi-user facilities. Multi-user facilities enable the businessman access accounting information online or offline with more user controls outside of the office or within office. The big business houses, this facility is useful as data entry can be done by many operators on different computers simultaneously. Next, accuracy. Computerized accounting software is more accurate as compared to human being. All calculations like additions, subtractions and statistical calculations are automatically done by software. Next, speed. Computerized accounting software work faster than manual accounting process. It generates all financial statements and reports speedily as per user requirement. Accuracy. Computerized accounting software is more accurate as compared to human being. All calculations like additions, subtractions and statistical calculations are automatically done by software. The next, reduction in cost. As the financial records are to be entered only once in the system, the accountant will save his time in maintaining the records. This will enable the business organization to employ few accounting personnel. Next, systematic and up-to-date records. Computerized accounting system ensures systematic and up-to-date financial records of the business organizations. Huge storage capacity. In case of manual accounting, it is required to maintain separate books and registers for each financial year. In case of computerized system, one computer software can store the accounting records for many years. Next, compact. No matter how voluminous the financial data is, the computer can store it in a compact way. The financial information can be stored on the hard disk and if required, backup can be taken on the external storage device which requires very little space. Then last, transferability, sharing information. Computerized accounting system allow the business organization to share the financial information with the parties interested parties. The information can be shared with the help of printouts or can also be shared with soft copy is that through pen drive or internet transfer. The next, the following components form the computerized accounting systems. First, hardware. Hardware is the electronic equipment that includes computers, disks, drives, monitors, printers and the network that connects with them. Most modern accounting systems requires a network, the system of electronic linkages that allow different computers to share the information within a network. Accounting records. Personal input transaction require reports, protect records. Then journals ledgers, other records. Posted, access for reports. Input data, enter, edited. Software processing. Printed to paper, screen. Output, reports. Input data, enter the edited. There is a use software processing, journals, ledgers, other records is a posted and access for reports. Printed to papers, screen and output of a reports. Personnel are critical to the success of any endeavor because people operate the system. Modern accounting system gives non-accounting personnel access to parts of the system. Creation of accounting documents. In accounting software, generally the following components are used. Creation of accounting documents. Computer software helps in creating different accounting documents like cash memos, vouchers, receipts, invoice, etc. Ledger accounts. Ledger accounts. Debit is a debited in a expenditure and asset. Expenditure is a debited and asset also debited. Expenditure is a posted in a profit and loss account and asset is a posted in a balance sheet asset side. Then ledger account, credit side. Credit side is a recorded liabilities and incomes. Income always credited in a profit and loss accounts and liability is a balance sheet liabilities side is a posted. Example, capital account, drawings and bills payable, etc. Preparation of trial balance and financial statement. After recording the transactions, the data is automatically transferred into ledger through the software. Vouchers are prepared on the basis of data records into the computer. Trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet is automatically prepared. Input data. Input represents data from source documents such as sales receipts, bank deposit slips, purchase orders, etc. Computerized accounting systems require that data inputs be arranged in specific formats. Transactions with missing dates, account numbers or other critical information are not accepted by the system. Output are the reports generated for decision making. This may be like statements of debtors, creditors, inventory, trial balance, income statement, balance sheet and so on. Accounting package. Every computerized accounting system is implemented to perform the accounting activity, recording and storing of accounting data and information and generate various reports as per the requirements of the user. From these the accounting packages are classified into the following categories. ready to use. Customize. This accounting software may be customized to meet the special requirement of the user. Standardized accounting software available in the market may not suit or fulfill the user requirements. Then ready to use. This accounting software is suitable to those organizations or firm running small scale business where the frequency of a volume of a accounting transaction is a very less. This is because the cost of installation is generally less and number of users is limited. Ready to use software is relatively easier to learn. Tailor accounting software is generally tailored in large business organization with multi users and geographically scattered locations. The secrecy and authenticity checks. Such softwares and they offer high flexibility in terms of number of users. The next, free and open source. The small business need an accounting software, but they don't have a big budget. Then find out accounting software available on free open source software on the internet. These applications you can download and install from the website. For example, GNU Khatta is the open source accounting software for small business as well as a personal finance software. How to create company in Tally. Follow the following navigation path: gateway of Tally, prepare company information, put up company information, then select company, then login as remote user, then backup, then restore and quit. It accounting software is used for recording day-to-day business transaction of a company. It maintains inventory management system with computer. It is integrated with other business applications such as purchase, sales, finance, payroll, inventory, etc. with all accounting details. Step first, after entering into accounting software Tally, double click on the option create company under company information. Step 2, the company creation window display on the screen as shown below in the image. Fill the detailed information in the company creation form. Kindly rewrite it has no reference with the heading or change heading. Need to insert group creation image and its process. Student, use this information for writing a theory. Thank you for watching my video.